Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So now we are at Contemporary Environmental Issues series for UGC NET JRF Environmental Sciences. So in this series, we will understand Sustainable Development Goals, environmental sustainability, climate action and India's role in achieving global goals. So let's begin with part 1. This short video is best suited for UGC NET JRF Environmental Sciences, GATE Environmental Sciences and Engineering, UPSC Environmental Section aspirants, CPCB, SPCB exams, ICAR, ASRB exams and other relevant environmental science and engineering exams. So here today's topic is Sustainable Development Goals, also known as SDGs. In this part, we'll learn what SDGs are, why they are important, the 17 global goals and how they support sustainable development across the world. So here is the slide. What are SDGs? SDGs are 17 global goals adopted by the United Nations in 2015. These goals aim to create a better, safer, healthier and more sustainable future for all people by the target year 2030. The Sustainable Development Goals are based on the idea that development should balance society, economy and environment. The 5 important pillars of SDGs are people, planet, prosperity, peace and partnership. Together, these 5 P's guide global sustainable development. Now, what is sustainable development? Sustainable development means meeting present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This definition was given by the Brundtland Commission in 1987. It highlights the balance between environmental protection, social well-being and economic growth. Now let's come to the next slide, the SDGs from 1 to 6. The first 6 SDGs focus on basic human well-being. These include no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, and clean water and sanitation. These goals build the foundation of a healthy and equitable society. Now next is SDGs from 7 to 12. Goals 7 to 12 focus on sustainable growth and development. These include affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduced inequalities, sustainable cities and communities, and responsible consumption and production. These goals encourage sustainable economic progress and resource efficiency. Now next slide is regarding SDGs from number 13 to 17. The final SDGs focus strongly on environmental protection and global cooperation. These include climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice and strong institutions and partnerships for the goals. These goals emphasize biodiversity conservation, climate resilience, peace and international collaboration. So this was part 1 of Sustainable Development Goals. We explored the concept of SDGs, Sustainable Development and all 17 global goals. In part 2, we will cover India and SDGs, SDG indicators, state performance, environmental SDGs, quick revision points and previous year question oriented concepts. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more latest updates. Thank you and see you in the next part 2. Thank you so much.